G'day blokes and blokettes, it's Richard. That's right, I'm back. Today we have an Isuzu Mu-X, stock reference number 5967. This shape ran from the 2nd of 2017 to the 2nd of 2021. It has a 4JJ1 turbo diesel engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 4JJ1 turbo diesel engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel mag, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, auto gear shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen media player with sat nav, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light with sunglasses holder, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, phone and cruise buttons.